15 extreme survival gear gadgets that you definitely need. Ready for an exhilarating ride through the world of extreme survival gear? Stick around to the end because we've got something truly jaw-dropping waiting just for you. From a heated chair that gives you comfort in the wild to a survival kit that might just save your life, we're counting down 15 of the most extreme survival gear gadgets that you definitely need. And remember, hit that subscribe button to increase your chances of surviving in the wild. Without further ado, let's see how extreme we can get. Number 15. Heated chair. Now, this isn't your grandma's rocking chair. This beauty is a game changer in outdoor comfort. Imagine those chilly nights camping in the wild, where the cold seeps into every bone of your body. With this heated chair, you'll be toasting comfortably, no matter the conditions. But wait, there's more to this chair than just warm. It's also designed for rugged conditions and is super portable. This chair is more than practical. With 5 pockets, including side pockets, water cup mesh pockets, zipper pockets, power bank storage pockets, and oversized back mesh pockets, it's got storage sorted for all your needs. Now you won't just be surviving the great outdoors, you'll be enjoying it in total comfort. Number 14. Lightweight headlamp. Now, we all know how crucial light is when you're battling the wilderness. When the sun sets and you're left with nothing but the eerie silence of the night, this gadget is your beacon of hope. This headlamp isn't just about seeing and being seen, it's about staying in control when things go dark. Whether you're setting up a tent, preparing a meal, or navigating a tricky trail, this headlamp keeps your hands free and your focus sharp. Compact, lightweight, yet incredibly powerful, this headlamp fits snugly around your forehead, cutting through the darkness with a bright, focused light. Number 13. Emergency bivy. This piece of gear is the epitome of good things come in small packages. It's compact, lightweight, and if you ever find yourself in a pickle, this little buddy can be a real lifesaver. Imagine you're on a challenging trek, and the weather decides to throw a tantrum. Rain, wind, snow, it all comes at once. What do? You pull out your emergency bivy. In minutes, you have an instant shelter that protects you from the elements and keeps you warm by reflecting your body heat back at you. Surviving in the wilderness isn't just about enduring, but adapting. And with this emergency bivy in your gear, you're not only surviving, but thriving. Next up, we've got a collection of tools packed in a single kit that's so versatile and practical, you won't believe what you can do with it. Number 12. Emergency survival kit. Picture this. You're stranded somewhere, and you have a survival backpack stocked with 2 mainstay non-perishable food bars, 1 Aqua Liters 33.8 ounce emergency water pouch, 2 water filtration straws, 4 Sialume snap lights, 2 blankets, 2 whistles, 1 LED lantern, 1 first aid kit, a pack of 8 bath wipes, and even a 50-foot paracord bundle. That's a whole lot of peace of mind in a single bag. This isn't just a survival kit, it's your haven in a backpack. Hurricane, power outage, earthquake, nuclear event, you're ready to face it all. And let's not forget about lighting. This kit includes an LED lantern and 4 snap lights, illuminating your nights even when batteries are scarce. Next, we're introducing you to a single gadget that's an entire toolbox. Want to save space without skimping on utility? This will be your gadget. Number 11. Gerber Crucial Multi-Tool. This is no ordinary tool. It's a dozen different tools, all cleverly designed into one handy pocket-sized device. Imagine having a tool for nearly every scenario right at your fingertips. A knife, a pair of pliers, a bottle opener, a mini saw, a screwdriver, the list goes on. It's like carrying a whole toolbox in your pocket. You don't need to depend on a hefty toolbox with the multi-tool. Whether you're fixing a loose screw on your gear or fending off a wild creature, this nifty gadget has your back. Up next, we've got a gadget that's a literal spark of genius. It's small, potent, and could be the difference between a chilly night and a cozy one. Number 10. Fire starter. We're not talking about a dainty little sparkler here, we're talking about a magnesium ferro rod. So thick and sturdy, it guarantees you 12,000 strikes. This isn't a cheap one-time trick. This fire starter is a dependable companion that'll stick with you through thick and thin. Emergencies demand conservation and efficiency, but with this thick rod, you have room for trial and error. But there's more to this fire starter than just sparks. It comes equipped with a tried, trusted, and straightforward emergency whistle. When it's time to signal for help, you want reliability, not fancy gimmicks, right? Up next, we have a gadget that will turn the heat up even more. Number 9. Portable heater. Sure, you've got the fire starter, but when you need consistent, controlled heat in your makeshift shelter, this baby shines. It's lightweight and compact, but don't let its size fool you. This gadget packs a punch. It cranks out a cozy, steady warmth that'll keep you comfortable and fight off hypothermia. It's like having a portable campfire that's safe to use in any shelter. With the portable heater humming warmly in your camp, you're ready for any weather the wilderness can throw at you. You're not just surviving the wild, folks, you're living it. Next, we will introduce a gadget that's an absolute beacon in the darkness. Number 8. Emergency glow stick. Imagine you're lost in the woods and it's pitch black. Your headlamp battery is running low and you need to save it. What do? You crack one of these bad boys. Instantly, you've got a steady, reliable source of light that doesn't need batteries and won't go out in the rain. But these glow sticks aren't just about visibility. They're about being seen. They're bright enough to be spotted from a distance, making them perfect for signaling for help. Strap one to your backpack and you become a beacon moving through the night. In a rescue situation, this little light could make all the difference. Make sure you subscribe to the best of Amazon to always be safe in the wild. And remember, knowledge is the key to survival, and the more you know, the less you have to carry. So stay tuned. Number 7. Emergency radio. Now, this isn't just your average radio. This is a device built for survival, a NOAA weather alert radio. I see those raised eyebrows out there. You might be wondering, a radio? In this digital age? But folks, this isn't your grandfather's old transistor radio. This baby is loaded with features designed to keep you informed and safe. When the National Weather Service issues a severe weather alert, this radio doesn't just let you know, it makes a loud SOS alarm while flashing a red light. It also gives you access to AM, FM, and shortwave frequencies, so you can tune into everything from local news to international broadcast. Coming up next is a tool every survival enthusiast should have in their arsenal. Number 6. Survival knife. The survival knife isn't your everyday kitchen utensil. This piece of precision-engineered survival gear is forged from the toughest materials and designed to withstand whatever Mother Nature throws at it. Whether you need to cut ropes, prepare food, build shelter, or even defend yourself, this knife has got you covered. It's rugged, it's reliable, and it's ready for anything. And it's not just about function either. The survival knife carries an aura of toughness, an unspoken promise of readiness to face adversity. It's the gadget that says, hey, I'm prepared. I can handle anything. And who doesn't want to exude that kind of confidence? Now it's time to move on to a gadget that takes survival to the next level. Number 5. Survival system. This isn't just a gadget. Oh no, this is a complete package, a toolbox for the end of the world. It has everything you need to survive, thrive, and keep yourself alive in the wilderness. Inside its tactical backpack, you'll find a world of survival wonders. There's a convenient internal storage system to keep everything organized, because we all know that the key to survival is staying organized. But that's not all. The backpack also comes with laser-cut MOLLE webbing for all your attachable gear. And after all this, if you're thinking, where do I pack all these survival essentials? Well, stay tuned, because up next is the emergency backpack. Number 4. Emergency backpack. Now, this isn't your average everyday backpack. It's a backpack with a mission, a backpack for disaster preparedness. No matter where you are or what you're doing, this backpack has got your back, literally and figuratively. Engineered with the expertise of Ready America, this emergency backpack can sustain 2 people for 3 days, or 72 hours. Imagine that! It comes chock full of essential emergency supplies, all recommended by the American Red Cross. Now, that's a seal of approval we can trust. Up next, we'll be showing you a comfort haven amidst the wild. Number 3. Survival hammock. This isn't a simple piece of fabric suspended between trees. This is an all-in-one camping solution. Our hammock set comes with everything you need. A double hammock complete with a net and rain fly, sturdy tree straps with 13 loops for optimal adjustment, D-shaped steel carabiners, net ropes, guy lines, aluminum stakes, a handy travel pillow, an eye mask, a 5-in-1 survival bracelet, and an installation manual, all packed into a compact pocket so you don't need to look elsewhere. And let's talk about the specially designed bug net. Its small, dense mesh provides effective protection against unwanted visitors. But don't feel like you're always confined to the net, flip it to the downside and enjoy the open air. Number 2. Survival Watch. Crafted to conquer any conditions, this watch is more than just a timepiece. It's your survival partner. With an incredible water resistance of up to 300 meters or 1,000 feet, whether swimming across a river or caught in a torrential downpour, this watch won't miss a beat. It comes with a robust sapphire crystal glass, armed with an anti-reflective coating, ensuring clarity and resilience in the harshest of environments. And it's not just the dial. Even the hands of the watch are embedded with Luminox light technology, a self-powered illumination system that never needs a battery and stays luminous 24/7 for up to 25 years. It's your guiding star in the darkest of nights. Number 1. Outdoor Survival Kit. This kit is your one-stop shop for survival needs. Whether you need to start a fire, build a shelter, find your direction, or even signal for help, the Outdoor Survival Kit has got you covered. It's meticulously designed to be light enough to carry, yet durable enough to withstand any outdoor adventure you embark upon. Don't let its compact size fool you. This kit is power-packed and comprehensive. No more fumbling through your backpack looking for individual tools. It's all right here, carefully arranged in an easy-to-access package. It's your passport to exploration, adventure, and lifeline when things get a little too wild. Well, there you have it, folks. A comprehensive lineup of gadgets designed to equip you for any survival scenario. Remember, the key to survival is always being prepared, and with these gadgets by your side, you're more than just prepared, you're ready to conquer. So stay tuned and subscribe to the best of Amazon for more exciting reviews, tips, and survival strategies. Goodbye, see you in the next video.